Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, we will learn how to load files in USB. When cutting program, MPF, cannot be sent by some problems such as network failure. First, prepare USB drive and insert on the side of monitor. Click menu, select in work and click Program or Program Manager on menu below. Click USB on below and choose Files to copy. After copy, click Local Drive on below and click Folder to be pasted and click Paste. After that, go back to HMI and continue work. What are you think? Can you do it yourself? Until now, I've been explained how to load files in USB. From now on, we will keep producing videos for maintaining our machine well. Thank you.